Hello guys, welcome to our video training series. Today, I'm going to summarize some most basics and most useful commands that is used in Rhinoceros programs. Please do not forget that. Drawing complex objects using the most basic commands is a way of thinking. Drawings will be easier when you figure out how to think about the drawing of the object rather than designing it. So, let's jump in commands. Offset command. You can use it when you want to copy a line or surface a certain distance and create thickness. Select the curve or surface, give it a distance value and create a copy. Ribbon, on the other hand, both offsets and creates a surface between two lines. Slab. Combination of the offset and ribbon. It allows the surface to be lifted to the third dimension. Fillet command. An edge or corner smoothing command that can be applied to both a line, a surface, and a solid model. Regardless of the geometry, edges can be selected and softened to the desired value. The cap command can be used to close planar gaps. If the gaps are not planar, the edge surface command can be used to create surfaces from edges. The close line command is used to close two-dimensional and compound lines, but the point to note here is that it does this with a straight line. The fillet command, which is an anti-aliasing command, and the fillet corners command are similar. In the fillet command, the lines one by one need to be specified, while in the fillet corners command, the command is performed automatically without selecting all the corners. The shell command is used to make a hollow object created by utilizing closed 3D geometries, where a closed 3D geometry is important, by giving it a wall thickness. First of all, you are specifying a thickness using the command panel option, then you need to select the face of your objects. Here is the exact thickness closed 3D geometry. With the Boolean union command, if two 3D geometries intersect each other, they are made into a whole object. Objects are selected and merged. However, the important thing here is the surfaces that are common and invisible, that is, inside the geometries. Here, the merge all coplanar command comes into play. In this way, the invisible and internal surfaces are deleted and the outer surface of the merged objects is transformed into a single plane. With the planar surface command, you can create a surface between lines in the same plane and close planar gaps. The planar surface command and the cap command can be used interchangeably. Multiple offset command is the same as offset command. The additional difference is that it allows to copy more than one object at a time. Twin curves command. It is a command that provides a transition between two drawn sections. That is, it is a command that draws lines that can be between the lines that have a beginning and an end. It works by analogy.